Alright, so we gotta be quick, but we're starting this video off with a goodbye. We're saying goodbye to this room and to Liu Estates. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and then we're gonna transfer to the airport with one of our drivers for the first night of safaris.
We are halfway through our trip, which is crazy.
It's gonna be so awesome.
Because we've already done like the cool stuff. Like, how is it gonna get better?
It will. But yeah, so I think tonight we'll get a little trip on the game drive and we're gonna enjoy it and bring you guys along. Make sure you guys are liked, subscribed, and Addie.
We'll see you at breakfast and we'll see you later.
Hey guys, so we finally arrived to the first lodge that we're staying at on this trip. This is Tanda Tula. We just arrived from the little local airport that you saw just before this, and we are getting settled in our room now before we go over for lunch, and then we will go on our first game drive like we had mentioned this afternoon.
Yeah.
A couple hours.
It is 2 o'clock, so we're gonna go get some lunch, and then 4 o'clock we have our game drive. Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, we'll do a quick little room tour.
Yeah, alright. You wanna show us around, Addie?
Yeah. Okay, so here's where you walk in, obviously. And then, oh, they have a little map. That's cool. It's really nice and pretty out.
Oh, so. What is this? Oh, that's the map of where we're staying.
Yeah. And so we have a mini bar. That's fun. Oh, it's all inclusive. And then some
laundry arrangements.
We really need to do laundry. Here's our bed. Nice pretty beads.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. It's like a little kind of cathedral.
And then
we got upgraded to a suite, so we actually have a second bedroom over here that we're probably not going to use. I'm purposely not showing you the outside yet. I want to show you the rest of the room first. So yeah, it's just a little bathroom, a little shower. And then let's come over here, show you the master bath. So this is the master bath. It's Got a nice little tub that we'll enjoy, some little bath salts. Don't eat them, kids. Shower and a toilet in there. Nice little double vanity and a place to get ready, freshen up.
Let's go look outside.
All right, let's look at the best part
This is
now.
what I've been like most excited for. Our deck and our pool.
Yeah, so this is our backyard.
You know, I'm hopping in here after lunch. For a couple of dips before we go on safari.
Yeah.
And we got that. I'll probably take some nice naps. This is where I'll be for the next 3 days.
I'm not surprised.
I know, right?
So yeah, so this is really cool because, you know, things can walk up right to us while we're enjoying outside. Hopefully we'll get to see some stuff. Maybe Addie will get a little freaked out, but maybe not.
It'll be worth it. I don't know how this really stops though.
It's
sure it
probably
does.
electric or something
Yeah.
of the sort.
And also make it
Yeah. But yeah,
So far, also, it's not as hot as I thought it would be. It feels really nice.
yeah.
Pretty sure it's probably like almost 90 degrees though. We
Just
saw
stay.
some animals driving in.
Yeah, you should have seen those. We saw zebras, impalas.
And
Our tour guide joked with us and called them goats.
I was like, wait.
He's
what?
like, don't you have goats in the States? And then we saw a buffalo.
That's one of the big five. That was the first thing we saw.
Yeah, and we got a little clip of that. We didn't want to stop.
Oh, there's bugs.
Oh, there's bugs.
I need to close our screen.
But anyways, all right. So we're gonna get wrapped up, get settled, head over for lunch.
There's a bug in my drink now too. It's okay. A little protein never hurt anyone.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying this. We are.
It's only gonna get better.
Alrighty, Andy, do it.
All right.
This is pretty amazing. Dude, this giraffe is right there. And we're right here. Hey everyone, so I hope you enjoyed those last little clips. We just finished up lunch and now we're getting ready to go out to the safari for the first time. Our first game drive.
Time ever.
Woo! Yeah.
We've already
so-
seen a few animals, but I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. So we saw zebras, buffalo on the way in, but zebras and giraffes here at the lodge. They walk up. There's a little watering hole that they have, and it's pretty dang impressive. So
This is insane.
we're so happy to bring you guys along. Keep staying tuned. Make sure that like button is subscribed, or wait, make sure the like button is smashed and that you're subscribed.
Like, comment, subscribe to South Africa.
All right, guys. Hey everybody, so we forgot to film an outro for yesterday, but so we're gonna do it real quick this morning. This is the morning of the second day here at Tanda Tula, and it was pretty dang amazing. I know I keep saying that, this trip was amazing,
just keeps getting
but
better and better.
it's so awesome. Alright guys, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be the second day on the game drive.
Got a full day here.
Yes. Alright guys, take care.